let's go. Come along. It tastes like... Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a very gloomy Monday. I don't know if you can see, but I'll show you shortly. Last week was all about working. It was about a lots of shoots, and I had a working Sunday yesterday. So today, Monday, is going to act like my Sunday. And I might also try matcha today for the first time. I've never had matcha. I've heard that it tastes like grass or just leaves. So we might do that today. And yeah, let's go. I should also show you how gloomy it is. In fact, I thought that it was 8 a.m. when I woke up, when it was actually 11:30. Mac breakfast has arrived.
It's very hard to concentrate when you're listening to ding dong.
तूने क्या किया ये क्या हुआ
Dil ding dong ding dole.
आपका नॉर्वेजियन फूड
नहीं पढ़ लिया. We got Tamas, and now we'll go and read a book and try matcha for the first time. Let's go. He has sore shoulder from carrying his camera bag. So
good I don't know what I've done to deserve it.
we have finally reached Mission Matcha. This is what we're having. Yes. Thank you. That's amazing. What have you got for? Spanish latte. अगर लाते ही खाने थे तो मुझे बोल देते, मैं खिला देती लाते. Crazy fun. Okay, so this is dirty matcha. Add blue tokai. God bless me. Apparently, this is supposed to be very therapeutic. I am a weirdo who likes matcha. Okay, so you know how it tastes? This tastes like grass but in a premium way. If a leaf went to therapy, this is what it would taste like.
This is the worst.
I'm starting this, and he is starting Atomic Habits, which I've already finished reading.
I am very
Look at that beauty. Okay, we have fresh flowers, and that makes everything better. Okay, so this was my not so productive but productive Sunday / Monday. I am home, done with dinner, I'm done with my bath, and I'm all ready to hit the hay. I hope you enjoy, and if you want more such content, comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you next time.